combinational circuit. Combinational circuit is the output will be depends only on the present input. Okay, so that is called as combinational circuit. So this multiplexer is one of the combinational circuit. It is also called as mux. Okay, so this mux having the block diagram of n number of inputs. Okay, these are the n number of inputs and only one output. So this is the block diagram of multiplexer. Okay, so here this multiplexer can be divided into 4 plus 1 multiplexer, 8 plus 1 multiplexer, and also 16 plus 1 multiplexer. Okay, so this multiplexer having the two selector switch. This S1 and S1 we take it as. Okay, based on the selector switch. This is called selector switch and control switch. Based on this selector switch, we will take the input to the output. Okay, so it is also called as data selector. Okay, so for example, we take 4 plus 1 marks. Okay, for this 4 plus 1 marks, how many inputs and how many outputs?
4 input and 1 output.
4 plus 1, the name itself, it having 4 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inputs. That is named as D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay, so mostly these multiplexers are used in the data transmission. Okay, so for example, we take this D0, D mentioned as data. It is data 0 to data B. Okay, but we have only one output, that is Y. Okay, and then below that it has the selector switch. That is S0 and then S1. Okay, for 4 inputs we have 2 selector switch. Okay, for 8 plus 1 multiplexer, how many inputs and outputs are there?
8 inputs, 1 output.
8
Input, 1 output.
8 input, 1 output. Okay, that is a D0 to D7. This is 8 plus 1. For this, how many selectors which are there? 3. Right? Because these are the total 8 values. So this selector switch based on this inputs value. Okay, so here 4 inputs, we have 2 selectors. For 8 inputs, we have 3 selectors. Okay, so this is the in your transmission system, this is like a smart traffic controller. It acts as a smart traffic controller. Okay, so by using this selector switch, has only 2, right? So it has the combination of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It has 4 combinations. Okay, for 0, 0, this is our first input. D0 and then mean S0 is 0, S1 is 0 means it will take the first input to the output channel. Okay, and then for 0, 1, it will take the D1 to the output channel. Okay, for 1, 0,
D2.
information from D2 is taken to the output channel. Okay, and finally 1, 1, D3 is taken to the output. Based on this procedure, only multiplexer works. Okay, so we already see the combination circuits have some set of procedure, design procedures, right? So first we have to identify the and then we have to draw the truth table based on the input and then output. Okay, it is known as truth table. S0, S1. Why we are taking the S0, S1 for the input function is this is the this selector switch. It is the main input of this multiplexer. So here we have 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the inputs, and then for 0, 0, this is the output. For 0, 0, what will be the output? D0 will be the output. For 0, 1, D1 is the input. For 1, 0, D2. For 1, 1,
D3.
Okay, so this is the truth table. For this truth table, we write the switching expressions like and then B1
S naught S1 S naught per S1
okay and B2
S
S
naught
naught S1 bar plus B3
S naught S
S naught S1.